but you guys don't care about that. So, hey guys, I know it's been a long time since I've done a video. I've been doing a lot. I have a American Muscle Car Show video that I went to in Pennsylvania, the largest Mustang show in the country, and I've been trying to upload it but it hasn't been working. Hopefully I'll get it done. Today I plan on putting the gas tank back on, and I got a bag of goodies from the previous owner when he was cleaning out his house, which is stuff I've been missing. I'm trying to put some of these parts on today, possibly reattach the trunk. We'll see how much time I have left. It's already pretty late tonight, but I'm gonna get some work done. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Alright, let's get this junk out of the way. So guys, we got our jack stand. We're gonna put the gas tank on the jack stand on a hockey puck, hopefully prevent scratching at the bottom, and we're going to raise it up a bit. Honest guys, this has been a pretty painful process. It's not hard, it's just painful. The looks like my fuel pump is leaking, so I'm gonna show you guys that real quick. You can see it. So let's see if I can get it back right there. I don't know where it's leaking from. It looks like I might have to replace it. Maybe it's a bad hose. I'll have to figure it out. It was not leaking before I took the gas tank off, so I don't know what would be causing that. Maybe you guys have a comment. Please let me know. If you think it just needs to be changed, then just let me know that as well. Thanks. Now all I have left is my remaining top bolts, and so gotta fit those in there, and aren't quite centered over here, so I'm kind of concerned. Hopefully I don't have an issue. We'll see. Alright guys, so I got my gas tank all buttoned up. That screwed in. I jacked up one of the nuts below that you drive one of the screws into. So it's just one of the little square nuts that's free spinning down there, broke free of its bracket. And now I can't, it's pretty wedged in there, so I'm gonna have to go under, take it off. But for now, I'm just gonna leave it so it's holding its place. I think now it's got the gas tank on. I'm either gonna clean the rear bumper or I'm going to look at the trunk. I haven't really paid any attention. I got some new goodies and I want to see what I can put on there. So actually, yeah, I think we'll do the trunk. So I got the brackets for the trunk, so go ahead and put those on. I also found the brand new set of stripping, weather stripping, whatever you want to call it, trim. And I put it on. That was a pain in the butt, but I got it done. Probably best to do it with two people. A lot of stretching involved, but it looks good. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this on so I can mount my trunk and then start putting pieces on it. Alright guys, so it's getting pretty late. My face is dirty. I need to take a shower. I gotta go to work in the morning. But any of you guys who watched a couple of my other videos knew I was looking for a bunch of the stuff, as in i.e. the latches to attach, you know, the body, trunk, and the hood. I think I have the hood, but I gotta verify. But I was also looking for my cymbal, and that's in there. Looks like he might have had to break this to get it off. Please let me know the best way to put these back on. Any of you guys who removed them and reattached them. As you can see, they're pretty flat, so I'm not sure how you clip them in there. But I just want to put it on there and give it a look. Well, that's it for today's video, guys. I appreciate you watching. Like and subscribe. Wait.